Welcome back in my channel with this 11 plus series. Before you watch this video, I suggest you to do the paper on your own. Download it, it's free, then work on it for only about 10 minutes. When you're ready, let's compare your answers with mine. Here we go! Okay, the first question in test 4. Write the number 6,708. 6,708. So we have no tens, it's only 8s as the ones here. Okay. Question number 2. Write the missing number. Okay, we have a sequence here. It's 30 and add 4, 34, add 4, add 4 again. So 38 add 4, it will be 42. Let's have a check. If you add 4 to 42, it will be 46. So this is okay. Question number 3. Circle the odd numbers. You know the odd numbers, if we divide by 2, we won't get a whole number. So like 25, you divide it by 2, you got 12, but then you have one remainder. And this one is odd number as well, and this one is odd number as well. Let's see question 4. Circle two numbers that total 55. That's a little tricky because we have so many options here, but 52 can't be this one. It's nearly 55 already. What about 23? If we can find 32, okay. 2, 3, 3, 2. So if you check 23 and 32, if you add them, that would be 5 and 5. So it's 55 as it should be. So this is our answer. Now, number 5. What must I take from 150 to leave 100? If you have 150, then you need to take 50 out of it to leave 100 in it. And the next question, Robert has 2.50 pounds. How many pence in total does he have? So it's basically from pounds to pence. That's by timesing it with 100, because 1 pound equal to 100p. So if we have 2.5 or 2.50 pounds, then we just times it by 100, then we get 250 in p. So 250. At the next page, you find question number 7. Circle the letter that gives correct answers to all these multiplication facts. It's 3 times 3, 5 times 5, 7 times 7, 9 times 9. You see, they all make square numbers. So if you remember square numbers, that will be easy. 3 times 3 is 9, should be this one. And there's no other option starting with 9, so this should be our answer. Well, it was quick, but if you still want to check the rest of the numbers, that should be okay. We have plenty of time. So you see it should be 25, and we have 25 here. And then 7 times 7, we got 49 here. And then 9 times 9, we get 81. So everything is fine, so C will be our answer. Let's go further. Question 8. Put these numbers in order, largest first. Now we need to find the biggest number. So it's 3,000. This one is 1,000. It is 4,000. I think this is the biggest one because this one is only 1,000. So we take 4892. This is the biggest one. And then the second largest will be this one because it's 3,000. So 3697. Now we have 1,000 and 1,000. Let's look at the hundreds. This one has 500s and this one has 300s. So this one is bigger. 1569, and then this will be the last one, 1308. That's it. Let's look at number 9. What fraction would need to be added to half to make 1? So if you have a half of a pizza and you want to make it a whole pizza, one pizza, you need another half of it. So which fraction you need to add? It's a half, 1 and 2. If you want to do it algebraically, you can write it like this. A half add something makes 1. So this something should be 1 minus a half, and that is a half. Well, this gives the same result, so it's up to you. I like to do this way because it's much easier and it's more visible. I like something visible. Let's go to the next question. This will be the last one. Circle the two numbers which will complete this number sentence. 25 is equal to something divided by something. Let's try with A first. Can you divide 250 by 25? 250 divided by 25. I can write the division as fraction. Do you know that? So it's very easy actually. If you make it as fraction, you can just simplify this fraction by dividing it with 25, you get 1. You divide this by 25, you get 10. It has 0 in it, so you get 10. At the end, you have 10. And it's not 25, so this isn't the answer. Now, 20 divided by 5, it's 4. So it's not the answer. 125 divided by 5, then this will be the answer. If you just want to make sure, 125 divided by 5. Now it's 1 divided by 5. No, we can't do that. We don't have anything, so it's 0. But we have 1 as remainder, so 1 goes here. It goes together with 2, it makes 12. And 12 divided by 5. You'll get 2, but you have 2 remainder. This remainder go together with the next number, which is 5. So it's, you have 25. 25 divided by 5. You know, from the 5 timetables, it should be 5. So 0, 2, 5. It's 25. This is the answer. And you got 25. This will be our option. You want to check the next one? It's up to you. You can do that. Okay, we are done with this 10 minutes tryout. Why don't you put this new score on your chart? Any question, any feedback, please let me know in the comment field below. And help yourself with more practice papers, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!